Alright, so they've brought us up. Gates are opening. Of course, we'll be waiting on the horn. And Becky will be getting ready to pull off the pin. Don't loosen that up, you're getting too far away from it. I'll back up a little bit, and then that'll give you the slack you need. As soon as he sounds the horn, I'll just give it a little reverse, and then you'll be able to pull that up off there. I'll let the boat do the work. Little current pulled the boat a little forward, so our bollard rope is a little tight, so we'll have to back up to give her enough slack so she can get off the pin. Just waiting on the horn. Alright, let me back up just. Alright, go ahead, get it off there. Alright, you're off. Alright, I'll wait for you to push. Just give us a push. That way we don't drag coming off the wall. Becky's all of about 95 pounds soaking wet, so that's good. Alright, we'll get a little forward momentum. We got a little bit of some rudder control. Alright, now we're starting to feel a little rudder control. We're away from the lock. Alright, now I'm going to bring the port engine up, match the RPMs because I needed a little starboard to get my nose.
Alright, Cam, y'all have a good one. Maybe we'll catch you on the return.
Yes, sir. We'll be heading back down this way about a year and a half on the loop, so we'll see you then. We appreciate your help. I'll give you a call out when we clear your gate, and then we will be switching back over to 16 to monitor. Anything above us that you know of, over?
Not that I'm aware of. Y'all have a good one.
Roger that. And as you can see, I get all kinds of great input from my teachers, and we have fun. It's about having fun too. You gotta make sure you have enough seriousness to do the right things and follow the right protocols and be safe, and make sure at the end of the day nothing gets damaged, nobody gets hurt. But don't ever forget, this is about having fun. Alright, Lockmaster Summer Breeze, clear your gate and switching over 16. Have a good day, and thank you for your help.